Welcome back to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'll show you how to get people to add pictures as a response in Google Forms. First, open googleforms.com and make sure you are already logged in. Go to the blank form and this page will appear. I am just doing an example tutorial for you, so I will create an example like a passport form. So let's create a question here, passport size image. Now, after this, you can see the options on the right corner. Open the question type dropdown and select File, Upload. Google will show a pop-up asking for permission. This is because uploaded files are saved to your Google Drive. Click Continue. Now click on Allowed File Types. You will see many options. I will select Image and PDF here. After this, there are more options like the maximum number of files. I will choose only one because only one is required for me. You can upload up to 1 GB maximum file size, so I will set it to 10 MB. This ensures users upload only pictures and nothing else. If the image is mandatory, toggle the required option so users cannot submit the form without uploading the picture. Respondents must be signed into a Google account to upload files, so keep this in mind while sharing. You can preview it, and that's it. You have successfully enabled image uploads in Google Forms. If this video helped you, like this video, subscribe for more quick Google Forms tutorials and other tech tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.